So far we've learned that the backspace key will erase to the left of the blinking cursor. The delete key will erase to the right of the blinking cursor. The arrow keys on your keyboard will move the blinking cursor around the screen, and you can also use your mouse to move the position of the blinking cursor. The next important topic we need to cover is the Enter key. The Enter key is located near the right-hand side of the keyboard, just below the backspace key. I'd like everyone to locate the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, the Enter key follows one simple rule. Every time you press the Enter key, anything to the right of the blinking cursor and the blinking cursor will be moved down one line. One more time. Every time you press the Enter key, whatever is to the right of the blinking cursor, along with the blinking cursor, it'll get moved down one line. So when you use your Enter key, you have to watch where is your blinking cursor positioned. The Enter key is great for adding blank spaces, blank lines on your computer, for separating paragraphs. There are a lot of uses for this Enter key, and I guarantee that you'll need to know how to use it. Let's run through some of the scenarios together. What I'd like you to do now is move that blinking cursor to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. I would like your blinking cursor as far to the upper left as you can possibly move that blinking cursor. Everything on the entire screen should be located to the right of the blinking cursor. Once you've positioned your blinking cursor in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, we ask ourselves, what is to the right of the blinking cursor? And everything is to the right. So if we press the Enter key once, everything to the right of the blinking cursor, including the blinking cursor itself, will move down one line. And we have just inserted a blank line. Let's press the Enter key one more time, and everything moves down one line. When I mention that everything moves down one line, I do mean everything to the right. If we had a 100-page paper, and we are in the upper left-hand corner of page 1, and we press the Enter key one time, the entire 100-page paper would be shifted down one line. Now let's try a second scenario. Let's place our blinking cursor after the word farmer in the second sentence, as far in the lower right-hand corner that you can place your blinking cursor, after the last word you have typed. Now in this situation, what is to the right of the blinking cursor? Nothing, just blank space. Everything is to the left of the blinking cursor. So if we press the Enter key now, nothing but the blinking cursor should move down one line. Press the Enter key once, and the blinking cursor jumps down one line. Press the Enter key again, and since nothing is to the right of the blinking cursor, just the blinking cursor moves down one line. At this point, if we wanted to start a new paragraph, we could begin a new paragraph with a space in between. Now the last situation I'd like to take a look at is placing that blinking cursor in between our two sentences. Move that blinking cursor in between the first and second sentence, in between the words farmer and the. Now in this situation, the first sentence is to the left of the blinking cursor. The second sentence is to the right of the blinking cursor. So watch when I press the Enter key. The second sentence, or everything to the right of the blinking cursor, moves down one line. Press the Enter key one more time, and everything to the right of the blinking cursor moves down one line. The first sentence was unaffected because there is nothing to the right of the blinking cursor at that point. To review the Enter key is used to create new lines and start new paragraphs when you are typing. The Enter key follows one basic rule. The Enter key will move the blinking cursor and everything to the right of the blinking cursor down one line.